All right. So what I'm going to be showing is on video editing. Is very simple. The only thing is that you will need a laptop. It's not something you can access from your phone. Okay, you need a laptop and you need an internet to access this platform. It's very easy. You can use it for your business to create quick promotional videos for your business. You can use it to create quick videos for your friend's birthday or something like that. Some of you that follow me on social media also, you saw the video I made on Friendship Day. I made it with this platform. So just go to your browser and just type flexclip.com. So I'm going to put the video and I'm going to share all the links. I think I've shared the link previously in the group. So this is flexclip.com. Okay, and just go click on enter and you're going to get this interface. So I'm going to log into my account. If you don't have an account yet, you have to create an account here. Use sign up for free. If you have an account already, you put your login details. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you want to create an account with your Gmail, you can just go to login and click on login with Gmail or login with your Facebook account. I think there is a little issue with the Facebook login, so you can actually go on with the Gmail login. Yeah, that will be much better. So it's going to open the editor once I am logged in. And from there, I can be able to select what kind of project I want to do. So I've made a couple of videos before. So all your projects will come to this top place. You see my project box. So if you just move this arrow, you'll see all the videos which you have done. These are all the videos. You can go back to home. If you want to start a project from scratch without actually using any template, you can just click on start from scratch. Now, the good thing is if you want it to be a video which is going, let's say you want to edit a video for TikTok, for people who use TikTok, or a video you are going to share on Instagram stories. Now you can select from here. If you click on start from scratch, you'll get three options. You'll have one option which is for HD videos like YouTube videos or Facebook videos, something 16:9. That is the standard for video production. Now, if it's something you want to share on Instagram, for instance, Instagram prefers square dimensions kind of videos. It's more effective because if you don't make it in that square shape, when you are posting it on Instagram, it may cut out some part of the videos. So it's better you use 1:1. So all this, they are called in video production, it is called aspect ratio. Aspect ratio. So aspect ratio is the ratio of the dimensions of your resolution, the width to the height of this frame. So see this video which is here. This is the frame of the video. Okay, so this is the aspect ratio of the video is the ratio of the width of this frame size to the height of this frame size. So that is aspect ratio. So when you select 16:9, you'll get an aspect ratio of resolution. Like when you have, you see HD. When you talk about HD, you are talking of 1920 by 1080 pixels. So it means 1920 pixels to 1080 pixels. That is 1920 by 1080p. So that is on resolution. So that is called aspect ratio. So it entails that for every 16 pixels in this frame, in the width side, there is 9 pixels on the height side. So that is aspect ratio. I know we all know what is ratio from simple basic mathematics. So this one is the one for video. So this 9:16 is just an inverse of 16:9. So I'm just going to come over to this place. Most important thing as a beginner, most important thing as a beginner is to first of all try to learn how to create with the templates which are available before you begin to think of creating with this aspect ratio and all these things. So as a beginner, you come to this place, you can see there are lots of stuff. They have made the whole stuff easy. And main thing is that the stuff is free. They have a free one, they have a premium one, though there is a watermark you will get, but I'll show you how to remove the watermark. It's very easy. So now you can see all the videos which are here. You can click on see all for all videos. Okay, and then you saw, if you start scrolling down, you see based on category. So assuming you are running a medical company, for instance, you want to make a promotional video, you are running a pharmacy, you want to make a promotional video related to COVID-19, there are already pre-made templates. If you just hover on any of them, it will show you the preview of it. So you don't need to click it to see the full preview. You just hover on it with your mouse, you hear the music, the soundtrack, everything. And the beautiful thing about FlexClip is they provide wonderful soundtracks that you can use for your video, like very awesome. So if you come down here, you can see stuff about businesses. Okay, you just slide and you can just click on see all to see all the videos related to business. So if you're offering services for something, or you're making it for somebody, a friend who has a company or a business that offers services, you can use this. Now if you are doing promos, you can see reviews. Same thing goes for every other categories: real estate, Facebook advertisement, YouTube videos. If you're making YouTube videos, this unique effects you see on people's videos on YouTube, you can actually get those stuff from here. And there are lots of other things which you can actually search. If you click on all at the top here, you'll get, if I click on see all, you are going to get an option by this side where you can actually see more categories. Okay, so assuming I'm celebrating birthday, I can click on birthday. You see some videos related to birthday, and all I'm going to do is just to change the pictures that are there or the photos that are there. So in that way, I'll be able to do something. Okay, so sorry, someone is saying my voice is not audible. Okay, I'm going to increase. I'll try to be more audible. So sorry. All right. So my birthday is coming up next week. So let me make a quick video about my birthday. Let me find some nice templates. There are videos and videos here. I'm looking for something that is only photos because I don't really have videos. But you can select the one which has videos in it and still make it photo video kind of thing. So I'm going to click on customize, and then it's going to open this editor for me, where I'm going to edit the videos. Now you are going to see all the contents of the video which you were seeing in the preview from this place. And this is where you are going to do the work. So that, do you see why I said you need to have a laptop to do this? Because phone is not going to do it for you. So this is just one platform. As we progress with this midweek master classes, I'll be showing maybe some other, like whenever we are talking about video editing again, I may show some other platform which you can use with your phone, with your smartphone. So there are actually only three videos, three stuff in this place. Now the thing is, when you are using a free plan, you cannot make a video that is more than 5 minutes. So the combination of all your videos should be 5 minutes, and in each clip you are dropping in this place, you'll see the timing here. This is 4 seconds, this is 5 seconds, this is 5 seconds. So this is the length of each of this video here. Now you can add more of the videos if these are not enough. First of all, you will have to change the one that is here if that is not what you want. So I'll click on this clip as the first clip, and I'll go here. I'll double click on this place. I have the text and it brings out this stuff. So what I want to do is, I want to say, you have here, please join us for a birthday celebration. I'll change it to happy 25th birthday. Okay, so at the top, I'll just write happy. And at the bottom, I'll just change it to 25th birthday. All right, and I'll click OK. So this is what I have here. It changes automatically. And now if I want to remove this video which is in the background here, if I play this clip, there is a, oh, this is a photo. This is a photo actually, so it's actually not beneficial for us. So if I want to change this photo which is here, I'll just click here. Don't click on the text. If you click here, you're going to select the text. If you click here, you are going to select the image which is in the background. So you just go to add local media. If you click on add local media, then it will lead you to your local area, like your local drive in your system, where you can select images that you want to add to this place. So I don't want to change that image, but I'll just do it because I'm trying to show you how to do stuff like that. So let me change it to this stuff. But it doesn't really look nice. The first one is better. So if you made a mini mistake and you want to step backward, you just see, you just see this option here, undo, or you just use your Control Z, if like with your laptop normally, the way you undo changes. Just click on undo and it goes back to this initial state. So I like this one. I'm not going to change it, but I'm going to change this second one. Okay, and I'm going to change the image, this guy's image. So now I want to change it. I'm going to click on add local media, and it takes me to pictures, and I just update my photo here. Okay, so it's going to upload, and I'll need to adjust it. See, it's cutting off my head here, and I don't want it to cut my head. I want it to show my full body. Only maybe this down part should reduce. So what I'm going to do is just hold your mouse, just like you are dragging something. Just hold, like left click, hold it, and use your mouse, move up and down. You can just move it so easily. Okay, and if I actually want this stuff to be smaller, I'll click on adjust. Okay, sorry, adjust is for color and all this stuff. So I just go to 100%. You see 100%. If assuming I want the picture to come inside, the only problem is if I make it to come inside, I'm going to have a black space. So I'll just zoom in. I'm going to have this black space, but I don't want this black space. But just in case you want your video to be like that, some people want the video to be in such a way the black space will be there and this person's image will be there. If you want it, this is where you are going to reduce it from. Okay, then I'll just bring it back to 100% because I don't want that to happen to my own image. 100%, and I'll just drag this stuff down here. So here we have this Simon Smith is turning 30. I'll click on it just like I changed the first text, but now I want to change this background color and this text color. You will see this icon here, text color. Just click on it and you will see these options. They come in twos. They come in twos. One is for the background and one is for the text. So the text is white, the background is yellow. So if I don't like any of these colors here, I'll just click on add this plus button, click on it, and you'll see side by side. So the part which is yellow, which is the background, is here. You can see this white round icon. So as you drag it, this color here will be changing. Just observe. As I drag it, it will be changing. If I don't want yellow and I want red, I'll move this one here. So why I'm recording this video is because you may not be capturing it immediately. So you can refer to the video anytime you are working. So you move it to red. I've moved it to red, and I like the white text actually. So I'll just leave the white one. If you still want to change the white one, you can move to any color, maybe blue, and then move this round stuff to this place. So that's as simple as that. So I'll just change the name to, if I double click it, I have to double click like I did in the first time, double click, and you'll have Ebenezer is turning 25. Okay, okay. So this is it. Now, this clip is the next one. Okay, but I don't want it to be just 3 clips. I want to add more clips to it. Now, what I'm going to do is, in this place, we can actually add a media in the storyboard, okay? And if I have to select from my local media or take a background or record a video, something like that, I'll do it. Mostly it's taken from local media, where you go to your laptop and select the picture that you want. But if I want to add, what if I want to add something in between this place? There is already something here, but I want to add this one before it ends. Now I'll just go to this place, and you see this option here. It says duplicate. I'm going to duplicate this one. It comes in between the both of them. And then I'll edit what is in this place. Similar to what I've done before, I'll go to add local media. I'll select the image that I want, this one. And then it will load in this place. I'll drag it down. You left click, drag it down so it will show my face. And I possibly don't want this text here. So now what I'm going to do is going to show you how to add text, because this text we are already here before. So I don't want this text. So if I click it, there is delete option here, remove text, or you can just click on delete from your PC and it will delete. Now I don't want that text, but I want another kind of text here. Now we have this left panel on this place, and we have three options. We have one option for text, one option for music, and other one for setting. So whatever you have selected, you have music here, the music soundtrack, which is going to be here, and the settings of the video whole whatever. They from this place you can actually add a watermark image to this thing. Like some of the Pond Circus videos we see, our editors use this particular area to put our Pond Circus logo on the platform. So it carries a kind of it gives a kind of value to whatever we are doing, and it gives originality that it comes from our company. So if you want to add text, you click on text, and there are different kinds of text here. You are going to, I want you to be a kind of research kind of person. So when you come, you explore, be an explorer. Okay, you come here, you explore, not just the one that I've showed you. Try to explore all the text and see how all of them works. Okay, and then I think I may not need a simple text. I may need a dynamic text. Okay, a text that has motion in it. So I'll just click on dynamics. I'll click on its dynamics. I'll click on all. So I'll get all of them that are here. So I want to put this one. Uh, this one, I'll just click on it, it comes here. So I can drag it to any location that I want. And if it is too big, I can just hold this place, drag it down. Okay, so I'll change the text by double clicking, just double click. Or if you finding it difficult with double clicking, just click on this place, edit text, and it comes up. You can change this one to August 25th, sorry, August 18th, sorry. Happening live. All right. So this is what I've changed. Now, what you have to notice is which of the text comes to this red box and which of the text comes to the bottom one. So you can see if you double click it, the text at the top actually comes at the bottom. That is August 18th comes at the bottom, while Happening Live comes at the top. So it will help you to know which one to put at which place based on what you want. So that is all. Now the last thing I'll show is about the music. I have less than 6 minutes to, I think I have less than 10 minutes to be done with this meeting. So the next thing I'll show is how to add music. So if you click on music, possibly you don't like the music which it is from. So if you are selecting any template, the most important thing you should be looking at is this kind of effects, the kind of text that are there, because for the music, you can change the music at any time. So you can actually import music from your laptop or get from their library. So I'll just click on add music. You see this option here, there is option for cut, there is option for delete, and there's option for add music. I'll click on add music. It leads me to this panel. Now this is the panel where you select the kind of music that you want. There are different genres of music. So you just search the one that you want. I may want something that is classical or inspiring or loving. Okay, I'll just click on love. So all the songs which are under these categories will come out. So you just check on them, each one, play each one, and listen to it and see if it is what you want. Okay, so you just check. You can click another category and select the one you want, and then just click on use. If you click on use, it will enter into your stuff. But if you don't want it and you want to import from your laptop, just click on the add music again. It will show you this place. You see browse my files. Click on browse my files. It opens your local folder, and you can go to where the song is saved, the music is saved, and then save it up there and add it. It will automatically add, just like this one we did. So if you want to close this window, you see this X button at the top, just close it. And the song here has changed. Now I'm going to play it from the beginning. If you want to preview, because whenever you select any clip, it's going to play only for that particular clip. So now I'm going to play this clip. So you see only the effect and the particular part of this music which was played there. But when I want to review the whole video, I'll just go to the top side. Beside export video, you'll see preview. Click on preview and you'll see the video from the beginning. All right. So that's the end. And same processes you take to edit this last one. Click on edit text and then change it to whatever you want. Okay. If you are typing on a straight line like this, it will just be on a straight line. But if you want it to be on layers, just like you have this one, just like you have this text, you want it to be in layers, first one, second one, third one, and you don't want to add multiple text to do that. You just click on it, and after putting the first line, you click on enter, just like when you are typing normally. It's just, all these things are very easy to people already because we already know how to use our laptop. So it's very easy for us. If I don't like this, I can select this one. You can select any one that you want, which gives you the taste of what you want. And don't forget, you can change the font color. And I didn't talk about changing the font style. So you can click on this place, you have Montserrat, and you can change the font style. So when you click on any category at all, you'll see the kind of fonts that are under that category. If you don't like this one, you close it up, open the next one, search the one you want, and that's all. Now I'm going to show you about exporting the video. It's a bit tricky because they have to put watermark in the front of the video because you are using a free account. So I just click on export video. You have three options here. Remember, I told you about aspect ratio. So this is a good example. This is 852 pixels by 480 pixels, and this is what we call uh, uh, we call it 480p if you go to YouTube, and it is standard definition. This is high definition. This is HD, 1280p by 720p, and this is full HD, 1920 by 1080p. Then you have 4K, that is 4000 by 2160. So we have three options here. So based on the quality, if you are doing something you just want to share on your WhatsApp status or just for Facebook, I think it will be better to use this. If you are sharing on WhatsApp, because when you're sharing on WhatsApp, you need something that has very, very, very less size. You have very, very less size. Okay, so you need something that is of this size, because when people are viewing in their phone with 480p, you actually have good quality. Or maybe if you just need something better, you just make it 720p. Okay, so the thing is, when you are using 480p, you may not get the video watermark. Okay, but when you are using 720p or 1080p, you'll be getting the watermark. So I'm going to use 720p so that I'm going to be able to put this I'm going to be able to get the watermark, and then I'll show you how to remove the watermark. So I'm going to click on this, and I'll just name my project Ebenezer birthday. All right, I'll click on export video. So it's going to be exporting now, and while it is exporting, I'll just like to mention that someone was just asking about making voiceovers. Making voiceovers is actually a different scenario altogether. You need a software like a normal video editing software, like Camtasia Studio, Wondershare, Filmora, all those things. You will need them because you need to be matching each clip. The only problem with Flex Clip is Flex Clip is not for you, like when you want to match a voiceover with the clips, except you just want to be saying what you are saying and you don't want it to sync together with the stuff which the video is showing at every particular time. So if you don't have that in mind, then you can go with Flex Clip and do the voiceover. You just import the voiceover like how I showed you and export it. And that's another problem. You have to export it because you can't add two soundtracks at the same time in Flex Clip. So you only have to add one soundtrack. So you have to export it and import the video back again and then put the soundtrack or something like that. So mostly I recommend you use Camtasia Studio to do your voiceover synchronization with the videos and then import it to FlexClip and then begin to do the editing just like I showed you. So I'm going to talk about that some other day. So I've downloaded this video and I'm going to open it, and you are going to see that it is playing. It is playing. It is going to, yeah, you are seeing the watermark. It gets this intro, which is FlexClip, which I don't want in my video. So as simple as it is, whether you are using a MacBook or you are using Windows laptop, you always have that option of trimming video from your video. So I'll just go to this option, trim, this option, edit photos. I go to trim, and then I'll trim the video. It's as simple as that. Everyone can do trimming, right? So it's usually in the first 4 seconds of the video that you get this intro. So I'll just move this stuff to the 4th second and towards here, just at the part where it just starts my main video, and I remove this one. I'll just stop there, yeah, and then I'll move this stuff here. Just normal cropping process. So that's it. You click on save as, and it will lead you to your laptop where you can save the video, and I'll just save it with some other name. It comes with madewithflexclip.com because you don't have a premium account, so you just delete that. I'll select where I want to save it in my PC and just click on save. So when I'm going to be talking about the voiceover, I'm going to show you how I do some of my voiceovers, because it's not everybody that have like a studio microphone and all those things. But those are things you can do with your mobile phone also.